Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be doing some boho knotless braids using body wave hair. And first I just want to show you guys the setup. So I have my Magic Fingers hand helper on the right that's holding the synthetic braiding hair, and that just helps for me to be able to pick up and braid. It just helps me to braid faster. I haven't went back since. And then for my human hair curls, I'm using my hair rack to hold the pieces, and as you guys can see, I already started, so this is like midway process, but filled up all the pieces and then kind of went back multiple times to get as many pieces as possible to again help speed up the braiding process. The hair that I'm using today is from YWigs, and this is their double drawn Burmese hair. This is the body wave curl pattern, 18 inches, and as I'm showing, the wefts are cut. Look how soft this hair looks, you guys, and it's so bouncy. Like I could not get enough. I really did like this curl pattern, and I do want to get into some of the benefits of doing boho braids using body wave. So if you're new to boho braids and you're not really sure which curl pattern you want to go with, I'm going to go ahead and give you some of the benefits of using body wave hair versus something like deep wave hair. And not necessarily saying body wave is better than deep wave or deep wave is better than body wave, but again, just giving you some pointers to pay attention to help you make a decision on what curl pattern to go for. So for body wave hair, you're going to get a more soft, lightweight hair. It's less frizzy because it's a looser curl pattern, and you guys will be able to see it once I am done. You'll see the final result, and it's less maintenance since it's a looser curl pattern. Meaning, if you want something where you don't have to worry about maintaining the curls, having to refresh, having to put a lot of products, having to brush through it a lot, body wave would be the way to go. It's a looser curl pattern. You won't have to worry about putting too much product on it. You won't have to worry about it frizzing up as much as a curl pattern like deep wave would. So body wave curl pattern would be the way to go if you're looking for a more effortless, more relaxed, softer, natural boho look. Go with the body wave, and YWigs is like one of the best human hair curls to use for boho braids. So the link will be down in the description below for you guys to check out if you are interested. If you're interested in the parting of this style, I do have a new parting tutorial out for how to part, so I'll link that up above in the cards as well as down below in the description for you guys to go check out. It's more detailed and just focuses solely on the parting, and bricklayer, everything that you'll need to know on how to bricklayer part. So again, be sure to check that out. As far as the braiding on this, I started with using the synthetic braiding hair for the base, and then as I braided down, I added in my human hair pieces, really spacing it out. I did add in a total of 4 to 7 pieces on each and every braid, and then an additional piece on the very ends. I'm going to show you guys how I tie the ends of these just to ensure that it is nice and secured and it is not going to come out. So if you're having issues with securing the ends of your braids when you're creating your knot, if it's coming undone, then just keep on watching. I am going to show this again. So for this piece right here, as you can see, I have 4 pieces of the human hair curl sticking out and then 1 piece on the end, so that's a total of 5. But the higher up I went, I started to add in more pieces because, like I said, I added a total of 4 to 7 pieces. So once I got to the very top, the top braids had a total of 7 pieces plus the 1 piece on the end, just to give it a more fuller look. Alright, so starting over and showing you guys a full braid again. I'm starting out with just doing some regular knotless braids, and my client's hair, as you can see, is very long, and so to avoid the hair or the braid from looking too big or bulky, the braiding hair pieces that I'm adding in for the knotless braid part, I'm adding in very small pieces, very small sections at a time. Again, I don't want the braid to be big and bulky, and so that is the reason for doing that. Once I have my pieces added in for the knotless braid, then I'm going to go in and then start adding in my pieces to do the boho braid curls. And however many pieces I'm doing on each strand, I'm just kind of spacing them out kind of evenly. So if I were to only do 4 pieces, then I'm just spacing them out evenly apart. Or if I were to do 7 pieces, again, they're just kind of spaced out, you know, pretty evenly apart from each other. So I'm trying not to just clump like 4 pieces at a time, like really close together at the top, and then the rest, you know, spaced out at the bottom. So just space them out pretty evenly. And I continue to braid all the way down. Once I get to the very ends, then I'll add an additional piece, and I'm going to braid in that last piece with the braid. And then I'll just create the knot to seal it. So the ends of these are going to be curly. So we're not going to leave the ends straight. They're going to be curly because they'll have the body wave human hair at the very ends. Now, since this is a looser curl pattern, when you're creating the knot, they can tend to like slip out if you're just creating like a regular knot. So this is what I normally will do to make sure that the knot does not come undone. I'm going to create the knot like I normally do. So I'm just creating a little loop right there and wrapping the hair in the loop and then creating the knot. I'm going over that at least once or twice. So I'm doing it at least 2 or 3 times total. But then that strand that I created that knot with, instead of just leaving it as it is, I'm going to split that into 2 again. And then I'm just going to tie it twice. So tied it once and tied it twice. I promise you guys, it's not going to come out. If you ever have issues with your knots coming undone, do it like that. Save yourself the headache of using glue, because sometimes the glue will get on the human hair, or you might accidentally get it on your client's natural hair. So save yourself that headache and just create that knot 2 to 3 times, and then take that knot, split it into 2, and tie it again. But here's the finished result. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Keep watching because I am going to show you guys a little better quality. I don't know what was going on with my camera this day, but you'll be able to see a little better quality towards the end, so just keep on watching. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. As always, I hope you guys be blessed, stay protected, and stay filled with love and peace.